Welcome viewers, Roshmi here. This is my 56th episode. Welcome to my channel. Today this is a mixed bag episode. I will show you so many sarees, all are on discounted price. Let's start. This is saree number 1. This is a cotton based saree. This is a cotton based saree. This work is hand work, hand kantha stitch on cotton. Color is rust. This is the entire saree with this work. The price of this saree, original price was 2450. Now the discounted price is 2000, only 2000. Saree number 1, base is cotton, color is rust, price is 2000. These all are discounted price. Saree number 2, the original price is again 2400, but now the discounted price is 2000. This is also kantha. Hand stitch, half body with this work. The color is mauve, light lavender you can say. This is the half saree and the rest half with the skirt border. The base material is cotton, pure Bengal tant, and the stitch is hand stitch, hand kantha stitch. Price is 2000. Next one, this is also a Bengal cotton. Price is again 2000. This stitch is Gujarati stitch with both side border. This is palla portion and this is the entire saree. Color of this saree is green. Mirrors are there with both side border and the color is green. Price is 2000. The original price of this saree is also 2400, but now the discounted price is 2000. Next one, cotton mix match. The price, original price was 1950. Now you will get it at 1500. This is the half saree, half and half. This is the half saree, the color of the half saree is maroon, deep maroon. This is the half saree with hand stitch and the rest half, this is the rest half which is printed. Price 1500. 1500 is the discounted price. Next one, this is also half and half. Price is also 1500, but the work is different. This is Gujarati stitch. Half saree will be like this on purple. Gujarati stitch on purple. This is the half saree and the rest half is on turquoise blue. Printed part is on turquoise blue. Price is again 1500. 1500 is the discounted price. All sarees are on discount today. This is a handloom. Again it is saree number 6. The price is again 1500. The original price was 1900. Now the price of this saree is 1500. This is outer portion with maroon and the entire saree is black with both side border. Black with both side border. The material is very soft, handloom material, and this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Price is 1500. This is saree number 6. Now saree number 7. These two are also handloom material. I will show you. This is the aanchal portion, black. The color of this saree is black. This is aanchal portion, handloom material. Original price was 2600. Now the price is 2300. 2300 is the discounted price. The entire body is like this with this thread work. This is weaved, hand woven saree. This is the entire saree. Even the blouse piece is also same. Next one, sari number 8. This is also the same design with different color, and the price is 2300. The price is 2300. This is the color, bottle green. Aanchal portion, price is 2300. Entire body is like this. This is the entire body. These all are discounted sarees. Price is 2300. Now I will show you some more printed silk. Today's on silk also you will get a discount. As you know, my price of my silks are 3550. I was given at 3400. Now for today's episode, the sarees will be you are getting at 3200. This is Aanchal portion. This is Aanchal portion. This is stock clearance sale, end of season sale, you can say. The entire body, but the material are same as you have taken earlier. The material will be same. This is the entire body, printed silk. This is the body, and this is the blouse piece. Price is 3200. Today's price is 3200 for all the printed silk. This is another printed silk, palla portion. The entire body is with black. This is the look, black sari, and the blouse piece is orange. Price is 3200. All the silks are Silk Mark certified. Now sari number 11. This is also another printed silk. Price is 3200. Aanchal portion, and the color of the sari is peach with both side border. Peach with both side border, and the blouse piece is also printed, similar as the border. Price 3200. Next one, another printed silk. Aanchal portion. This is the entire body. Entire body with the floral print. This is the sari. And this is the blouse piece. Price is again 3200. 3200 is the price of the printed silk, is for today's episode only. Aanchal portion. From Aanchal, the half sari will be like this. From Aanchal, the half sari will be like this, and the rest half with royal blue and the border. Price again 3200. Next one, sari number 14, is also another printed silk. Aanchal portion. Aanchal portion. Then the body will be like this. This is the body. The border color. The color of the border is dark green, and the base color is pasta green or moss green, you can say. This is a printed silk. Price is 3200. 3200 is the discounted price for today's episode only. Only for today's episode. Next one, this is a check silk. Aanchal portion. This portion will come in the aanchal, and the entire body with red print. The material is check silk. This check silk is Silk Mark certified. This is the entire body. The color is red, and This is the blouse piece. Deep grey is the blouse piece. Price 3000. It was earlier, it was 3000. Now you will get a discount of another 100 rupees. So it is 2900. 2900. Another check silk. Green with blue combination. This is palla portion. The entire body is like this, green with blue border, both side border, and the blouse piece is again blue. Price 2900. 2900 is the discounted price. Sari number 17. It is a Katan silk, Bishnupur Katan silk, machine embroidery on Katan silk. The color is blue. The color of this sari is blue. This is palla portion and the entire sari is like this. The material is pure Katan silk with machine embroidery. This is the entire sari. You can see the volume of work. See, this is the work, and this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Price is 4800. 4800 is the discounted price for today's episode only. Let me check once. It is 4800. Now this is another Gujarati stitch on Bangalore silk. Gujarati stitch on Bangalore silk, sari number 18. Price will be 5500. These all are discounted price. All pieces are single piece. All are discounted price. 5500. Bangalore silk Gujarati. Bangalore silk Gujarati. The color is baby pink. Without mirror. This Gujarati work has been done without mirror. This is the entire sari with buta and kolka, and this is the blouse piece. The price of this sari is 5500. This one is a Bhagalpur Tasar, sari number 19. The price of this sari is 4500. 4500 is also discounted price. See, this is Aanchal portion. Aanchal portion. Then half body will be with this blue, half body with this blue color, and the rest half with this Tasar color, virgin color, and the blouse piece is also blue. This is the blouse piece. Price is 4500. 4500 is the discounted price. Sari number 19. Now sari number 20. It is a silk mix match. Price is 5200. 5200 is the discounted price. Aanchal portion. The body will be like this. This is the body, and again on pleats this gun spray with Gujarati stitch, and the blouse piece is also with the gun spray. I will show you the sari in this way. This is pure silk, Gujarati stitch done on pure silk. See, it will be the look of the sari. The price is, as I told you, price is 5200. These all are discounted price. Now the last sari of today's episode, the price of this sari is 4500. This material is Tasar with hand painting and a little bit stitch work. See, these all are hand painting. The border has been done with stitch. This is the body. Entire body with this. This is the body. These all are hand work. Price is 4500. and this is the blouse piece. Green color is the blouse piece. Viewers, I have shown you 21 sarees, all are on discounted price. If you like, please share with your friends. If you want to book, call me or WhatsApp me on my number 9330866384.